Welcome back. Today we'll take a look at the Samsung Galaxy Z TriFold. What you are seeing right now is the backplate of the unfolded phone, which has a 6.5-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED screen, and when unfolded it becomes a 10-inch QXGA Plus dynamic AMOLED 2X screen, and the 3 cameras, a 200 megapixel, a 12 megapixel ultra wide, and a 10 megapixel telephoto with 3 times optical zoom. And this is the correct way to unfold the screen. And you fold it back from the leftmost panel, just like that. The Galaxy Z TriFold runs on the Snapdragon 8 Elite mobile platform and is powered by the Android 16 with One UI version 8. It has 200 megapixel of main camera, a 12 megapixel ultra wide, and also a 10 megapixel of telephoto with 3 times optical. There's also 2 front cameras with a 10 megapixel for the cover and a 10 megapixel in the main internal. As for the battery, it has a 5600 mAh battery. It's a 3-cell system. Charging methods includes a 45-watt wired, 15-watt wireless, or wireless power share. When unfolded, the dimension of it is as thin as 3.9 mm to 4.2 mm and weighs 309 grams. Just like any foldable phones, the star of the show is the massive 10-inch QXGA Plus dynamic AMOLED 2X main screen. When fully open, it opens a workspace equivalent to 3 6.5-inch smartphones side by side. This is especially useful if you want to resize apps in multiple windows to view critical data simultaneously, or hold the device vertically for document reading experience that rival e-readers. There is also a smart taskbar, which allows you to easily switch apps and contacts seamlessly. Entertainment is probably one of the most useful features of this phone, as you can watch high-definition content while scrolling through comments or browsing the web side by side. This is how YouTube will appear on the 10-inch screen, so you can actually enjoy your movie much better compared to a tiny screen. I did notice that once you fold the phone, the video will not auto-resume from where it left off. Here are some photos that I took during the preview event. You can take photos from wide angle all the way to 30 times digital zoom. Other than photos, you can also take 8K video on this phone. After meddling with the phone for a few hours, I think that this is a nice device to have. But since that it's too thin and makes one-handed use of this a bit challenging, especially when you watch your favorite YouTube or Netflix shows, you'll likely need a stand and use it more like a compact tablet. On top of that, the price may be a little bit hard to justify for some users. While the display looks great, especially when viewing pictures taken in HDR, the screen is quite prone to fingerprints, and like most foldables, there's also a noticeable crease while the 3 panels meet. The camera, however, performed impressively in our dim light tests. As this is a first look session, we haven't explored other features yet. So what do you think of this phone? Do post your comments below. Before you leave, do remember to like and subscribe to our channel, and do check out the more details on our website.